Oh, they're breaking the law right now.
Londonmade, baby.
God. Yes, guys, I'm back. I'm back. It's your boy London. Today we are off to Boiler Room. This is my first experience of going. I've never been before, so I don't know what to expect. And because it's on the ends as well, it only makes sense to go. Only makes sense. So right now I'm going by myself. We in. Alright, listen, I'm Dolo right now, yeah? I'm Dolo right now. But Andrew's here. Man like Wilsey. I can see you, my boy. Came Dolo, he came Dolo. Dolo boy. Dolo boy.
Is it Dolo if you know someone's gonna be there?
No, I mean,
like, is it really Dolo?
That's the question. That's a very good question.
Because immediately I said, "Hi, John."
Yeah. Imagine I phoned him. I was like, let me see if he was here, and he was here. Oh well.
So the question is, how many girls come up to John tonight? That's the question. When they see the dress, they go, what?
Zero. No bad. This guy's famous.
When you come Dolo, you're not really Dolo. You come Dolo, but you're not really Dolo.
You bring an umbrella?
Umbrella?
But then what about the legs? Yeah, exactly. I brought my umbrella, boy. Trust me. I chose the wrong footwear today, man.
Well, I gotta make the most of it. And that's why raincoats and clothes I don't care about.
You're right.
Raincoat, clothes I don't care about. Oh boy!
I'm in. Hey, he's gassing me up. Oh my days. Yes, Sergey! I am fucking dead. Go on. Yeah. A little bit.
Just sing the fuck along to this song right here, man. No.
We like the fucking blood clot, mate. We can't do that, bro.
BOILERROOM sponsored by BUDWISER. We are in the essential. I don't know if I can swear. Building right here, man.
It's us. I was falling. I was geeking. I was high as fuck, tweaking.
T-shirt. I'ma feel like a what?
I ain't even gonna say nothing.
Asshole.
I know this song, but I don't know it. I go crazy, people. Content boys. Got a nice merch section. I can't run. I actually can't run. I did cardio today, man. Red eye is gone. He's famous. This guy is famous. My nigga.
Look at all Christmas crib wrap.
Set list. I'm not gonna lie, I'm the only one that don't know the set list. I don't really know, I don't really care who's performing, I'm just here for a vibe, bro. I'm only here for a vibe and to make everyone see what it's like that didn't come. I'm doing this for y'all. I'm actually doing this for y'all. I don't give a fuck who's performing. As long as everyone's enjoying, I'm enjoying, that's what I care about. Mega rides.
I've never seen it like that, bro.
I know that, bro. They're cold. Mega rides.
Come out, no.
They've been out for time, but these ones, like, I think this is the new color. Bro, it's cold. Love, bro. Get a pair, bro. Adidas. My brother. What?
For the vlog.
Moments later.
Welcome to the plant room. Why you following me for? Where's the vocals? There's a room for them. What you following me for? Sing fucking sing along. What you singing for? Bitch, you go running, make IDs to the trash, we going. Free to the top, room to the car, to the house for the girls, and the hands so foreign, life so foreign, life so foreign. Rainbow streets, first life so important, load on the friends, most time so important. So famous, unbelievably famous. A man is wearing Travis Scott's in the mud. Mad. Brave man. Like DJ AG's behind me right now, man. So, well, we're going this way. This way the girls want to dance. The girls that want to dance.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ladies taking me photo. Paparazzi. I found a guy that was wearing gloves. I'm with the cold hours. Mr. Cold Hours. Yeah. And get lost. Do not shout me. I'm always on the phone. That's it. I found him again.
I hear it, but where would you go though? Why'd you disappear?
I didn't disappear. You were chatting off. Was he not chatting off? Was he not chatting off?
I hear it.
I said I'm going into recess. I'll be at the side.
I hear that.
So
I hear that. He didn't tell me that shit.
because he was chatting off.
He didn't tell me that shit.
Because he was chatting off. I am giving this out. I'm not having it. There's no point. It's going off right now. Voice is going and the voice is going and I'm telling you, the voice is going. Me, you didn't come. I'm so sorry to tell you. You gotta come to the next one. Alright, it's that time. Hell yeah! Alright, Crazy Cousin's about to come on, guys. see me again. This guy's finished. I'm calm.
Hey,
I'm calm.
hey, you see John? He's a legend.
This is the first festival I've been to in Londonmade. And there's good guys. All the crew, make some noise for the crazy cousins right now. 1, 2, 3, noise! Noise! Let's go! Let's start the party now.
It's just you and me, all the time I see is where I wanna be. That's just where I wanna be with you.
Hands in the air, I want you to hands in the air. 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 Ole, ole, ole. East, south, west, Manchester, London,
I got less friends, they wouldn't say but I sit trends. Went wrist like Clinton, so when you grab with free.
He's a mood.
we are all gonna bring the best of recess back to back. Giving you banger to banger. Can you say banger? Yeah, man. You see me before we listen? What's going on in this here today? Somebody ready for some West London right now? Viva! Recess is bringing you that back right now. Recess!
Somebody gotta do it, got my foot up on the gas, but somebody.
The recess stage is over. We're going to the main stage and it's just a bag of people.
Yeah. London, I love y'all. Make some motherfucking noise.
Right, so I'm alone now.
I'm in the jam, in the sale.
I'm alone. So now I'm gonna get better content. I don't have to worry about no one.
Yeah. Hey, put some nigga, yeah. Y'all want some more Alfredo? I say y'all niggas want some more Alfredo too. Make some motherfucking noise. Oh, yeah. Wave your hands side to side like this. Let me hit that weed. Wave your hands side to side like this. Let me hit that weed.
He's back. He's back. Himself. He's back. Wearing his own clothes. Yeah. Make sure you tap in. Alright, he's gonna live long. We were just talking about him. And he appeared from nowhere.
Surprise, motherfucker.
They're not trying to let him perform past 10:30. That's dark, bro. What the hell? It's not even 10. It's just gone 10:30. That's dark. That's the end, though. That's the end, guys. It's home time. It's actually home time, so I hope you enjoyed my vlog, this guys. Look at this guy. Look. What the hell? Vlog, look at this guy. Look at this guy.
Where the fuck you been?
No.
Where you been?
Nah. Say goodbye to the vlog. We're wrapping it here.
Right, listen. Boiler Room 2025. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you saw some stuff that you shouldn't have saw. But nevertheless, hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, next year, me and John will be here again. So until next time, Peace, my boys and girls.
They're breaking the law right now.
Turn me up, didn't know cosign. Got in that mode and didn't waste no time.